Hey friends, today is March 14th. Just woke up, gonna go get breakfast in Galle. A coconut dealer. So they're also cooking corn by the street. Yeah, so Galle beach looks quite empty. Got some coffee made at home. Yeah, I'm just gonna drink it now, have my breakfast. I don't know what actually to do. Tomorrow I'm going to Colombo, so today is just a chill day. So I came to the same place for lunch. That's kotu for 600 half, and that's egg hopper for 120. Look how many kittens. 1, 2, 3. So the day is coming to an end. Yeah, some cool views. Okay. My beast. My pink helmet. Yeah, so I booked a flight back to Chennai on 16th, 5 p.m. and I'm moving up north. So tomorrow I'm leaving to Colombo and 16th flight. This looks beautiful. I can see the sunset. Just the rocks, a little bit wavy. A lot of waves. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I'm going down. I don't want to get wet. Hey, so I looked for cat food, but I didn't find anything. I just found this fish. Like, they're salted, but I'm gonna give them water. Well, maybe it's not bad for them. It's fish. I don't know what to give them. They were eating like bread, you know. And I don't think bread is good for cats. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're like little tigers, just eating everything. So I'm going to bed soon. I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, it feels kind of strange here. I left 200 euro for my scooter, and the owner was acting kind of fishy, you know. He's not picking my phone, like my phone calls, and he said he'll knock at my door, and he's like just, you know, sitting with friends, talking, drinking, but he didn't come to my place to give me the money. So that's kind of weird, but I wouldn't say anything, but there was like a Google review that he scammed somebody. So yeah, you really need to, you know, take notes, take photos. I usually do, you know, take a note, take a photo or something with the money, like him holding it. But yeah, good thing I didn't leave a passport, you know. Yeah, you should be careful, you know. Like, it's kind of even annoying, like you can't fully relax sometimes, but it's all good. I have it. It's all safe at my hands. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for my laundry. I'm gonna take a shower and go to bed. March 15th, just packed my stuff, leaving my room. Yeah, so we're gonna go get some food and I'm gonna be heading to Colombo, next to Colombo. Oh look, they have porcupines here. Cool. Yeah, I just had breakfast. Paid for 2 egg omelet, 1,000. So yeah, that's a rip-off. I could get like 12 rotis. It would last me all day, but I wanted to spoil myself. So yeah, try to eat local if you want to save money. So I'm gonna go to the bus stop, wait for a bus. Maybe it's arriving soon, maybe not, probably not.
Yeah, and then going to Colombo, it's about 4 hours. I just need to find some shade and wait. So I heard this guy also, like, I heard a lot of stories that Colombo, Sri Lanka, all of these beaches are very good for diving. So if you love diving, I think it's a wonderful place. So I missed my bus to Colombo. It just passed me by. The stop was like a little bit further, and it drove by like very fast. It stopped only like 1 minute, even less. So I'm going to Galle, and then change bus to Colombo. But the bus is very good. Has a shade, has a TV, looks proper, looks more new. Hey, yeah, so I'm in Galle. Took me an hour to get here. Yeah, the buses here are very often very punctual, cool buses. Driving is pretty good, kind of sometimes reckless, but still very good. So Galle looks like a big city. I've seen some people selling fish, other stuff. Yeah, there is some tourists, of course. So now it's 12 p.m. I'll just walk around, look for something. I still have a lot of time. Should be like in 3 hours in Colombo. So this should be a fort. I don't know, it's Portuguese or British. Could be British. Some kind of flags, probably Galle flags. Some kind of cricket event with kids. You can see tourists walking there on the fort. Yeah, ladies with umbrellas. So the buses are like maybe Sri Lanka buses, I don't know. Leyland. Yeah, their brakes, they should work more on brakes. They brake very aggressively. Hello, sir. Cool, cool. Yeah, kids playing cricket. Yeah, the whole ride by the coastline was very nice. I saw them fishermen on sticks in the sea. Looked cool. So yeah, I definitely think like Sri Lanka has more to offer. I just made a quick run, like 2 weeks only. That's not that much, but yeah, it was enough. For me, it was enough. I wish I could like do some diving. That would be cool, but just feel then you need to commit to the place, you know, get a place for a week, get them paddy license, you know, read a little bit, study. I don't want that now. I just want to move. I don't feel like sticking in one place for too long. I just want to see as much as possible and then maybe come back. Like, you know, the same with Thailand. I want to go training, so that's why. I'm coming back. Yeah, so I came through here, all that coastline. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go look for a bus soon. Yeah, so another part of the fort. Somebody's flying a drone, a big one also. Maybe it's for the event. Looks like it's gonna be serious. Yeah, Sri Lanka is beautiful. You always value the stuff when you're gonna like lose it, or you know. Same with India. I started to value the prices, the chai, the dosas, the food, you know, the people kindness, like helping all the time, you know. Same with Sri Lanka. Look at the coastline, it's like so beautiful. Oh my god, it's like super beautiful. I feel you still need to like do surfing here or diving or go to party. I'm not doing either, so yeah, not much to do for me here. Yeah, so getting on a bus to Colombo. Yeah, super hot, I know, like I think today's the hottest day. I'm all covered in sweat. Like,
hello sir.
Hello sir.
Can you try this one now? Here, try this one.
Okay, okay. Try. Okay, where's the bus? Colombo. So I'm at the station. How to get past this? It's all chaos. Need to get used to India. So the big bus leaving now is 450, and this one with AC, just one and me, is 780. So yeah, I'll spoil myself. So just came to Colombo station. Yeah, I think the local buses, the big buses, are better than the small ones. The small ones are kind of cramped, so yeah, kind of heard it. Chicken curry. I only ate breakfast. It's almost 6. 5:50. Right, so I'm in the combo. I took like the AC bus. It was 340. Yeah, it was the seats were like, you have regular seats and then they just pop like seats, and you need to get up, let somebody out, and kind of interesting. Yeah, so I have still 2 kilometers to my Airbnb. Yo, so I just arrived at my Airbnb. This is my room for 4,000. Very good price, and the owner is looks like a very decent man. I know so far he looks like, you know, proper Airbnb, proper everything. Yeah, I have AC, big bed, soft bed, but it's good. Nah, this one is better.
Yeah, have a shower with hot water. Yeah, it looks like a hotel, I don't know, like very good. Even has shower gel. Yeah, so I took a lot of transportation today. I like took a bus to Gale. Then I went to in Gale. I had like a walk in Gale. Then I took I took a van, not a public bus, but I think a public bus would be even maybe better. The van was very uncomfortable. So I took a van to Colombo, and I took like AC van also to Nakambo, and now I took a scooter to this place. So in total I pay like 307.40, so that's 1,040, then 340, so that's 1,380, and 200, 1,580. So, and that's quite a lot actually, but yeah, still it was fun. Like I made a stop in Gale and I wanted to visit Gale, so that was cool. What else? Yeah, the vans that I don't know, they should be better, but I like I said, I didn't very liked it because the public buses at least they don't have AC, but on the vans the AC kind of sucks. And on the public buses there's like wind everywhere, so it's like natural, it's even better. And the seats are wider and you have more room for your backpack and for your legs. So yeah, just one thing, like we went very fast on the highway with this bus from Colombo, so that was quite good. But yeah, still some people were kind of, I think, rude, but everything's okay.